Barbara! Barbara! Hello? You friendly? Usually she'd run away. Barbara! Barbara! No, Barbara? Barbara! Barbara! Hello, Barbara! Barbara! Come back to me!
Well, here we are, into the evening now, just after 5 o'clock. Heading up into Minch moor now, find somewhere to camp for tonight. It's been a lovely day and it's a lovely evening now, so hopefully it won't be too long till I find my destination, which is the old Minch moor bothy, which is now demolished. But if I find that area, I should be able to camp there, hopefully, so that's where I'm heading now. Now, 7:15, I've been walking since 9:30 this morning, so made this. Like, only got one beer, but that's all I need tonight. So. Minch moor. I tried to find the old ruined bothy, demolished bothy at Minch moor. I couldn't find it. I went up Minch moor for a wee look, all that 500-metre climb, couldn't see it anywhere. I just wanted to find it. I thought maybe there'd be a good camping spot beside it up in the hill, you know. But it doesn't matter, this will do for tonight. It's not the best, but it's quite close to the path, not what I wanted, but it's only for one night, isn't it? It's not like I'm going to be moving in, so yeah, cheers to that. Right, so that's us all pitched up and set up here in this little spot near the path. That's the path there. That's the Southern Upland Way, continues this way. That's where I'll be heading tomorrow. But for tonight, this is where I am. This is where I'll be. So I've got everything ready now. Just waiting to start cooking in a minute, get something to eat. It's about 7:30, I think. And I'm going to collect some sticks. And I'm going to use the wood burning stove tonight. I've got it with me in here, so I'm going to set that up, find some sticks, and then I'm going to cook my dinner and see if you can guess what it is tonight. It's something a bit different to usual, so see if you can guess. Alright, so it's pretty peaceful out here. That's the view from the path here where I'm camping. I've got to go up that hill tomorrow, I think over this way. Or it could be that way, over that hill anyway, I think. Yep, so that's tomorrow's plan, and I don't know how many miles I've got to go tomorrow, but just showing you where I am exactly, and that's back to the tent here. Right, so let's get this stove on the go. rest on it. Yep, so just for a change tonight, I'm having some spam with real bacon. It's a bit different to what I normally have. Normally I just have the plain spam, so tonight I'm being adventurous and going for it. Yep. Okay, so maybe this is a bit too close to the tent, possibly. But it should be alright. So here goes. Just put this on. And then get the spam on, innit? There we go. Right, oh that's the spam, that's the second roll, just about done now. Lovely. Oh, doesn't it look nice? Spam with real bacon, lovely. A wee bit of pepper, the seasoning, and then some, my very last sachet of brown sauce that I got on the West Highland Way last year. It's the final one, so I'm going to have to go back to the West Highland Way soon to get some more. Spam and brown sauce, lovely, lovely. And of course the night would not be complete without a bag of cheap mini cheddars from Lidl's. Snacktastic. I got the Snacktastic ones thinking they might be a bit better than the real ones, but they're just as bad, unfortunately. But what can you do? At least you got more in a multi-pack than what you do with the proper ones. So just very bland, you know. Could do with a bit more salt in them or something. Just tasteless. Well, it's getting late now. It's nearly 10 o'clock, so I'm just going to use up the rest of these wee sticks that I collected. Keep myself warm before I head off to my bed. For a long day, I'll probably have an early night tonight. There's not much else to do, so just get myself warmed up here. Maybe have a hot chocolate, don't know yet. Depends if I can get water tomorrow. I'm going to get water. Yep, so that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to get into my sleeping bag, get nice and cosy, and have a nice peaceful night with the sound of the birds and the owls and the wolves and anything else that's lurking about in the woods. Aye. Oh, good night. See you in the morning. Hopefully I'll survive the night. Well, here we are, another day. Yeah, it's just after 9 o'clock. There's no water here, there's no river, so I don't have a lot of water. I've got enough to last me for drinking water for the day. So I'm not going to have a coffee, I'm just going to have a breakfast bar that I got from Lidl's, sorry. And I've got an energy drink here that I've carried all the way with me, a Rockstar citrus flavour, so I'll do instead of a coffee. That'll wake me up. I'm looking forward to that. It's been keeping cool out here on the ground overnight. Yeah, so I'll just get to pack up now and make a move and head to Melrose, and we'll get to see Melrose Abbey. Lovely.